Hey guys, this is Dan Choi from Bob Ross Auto Group. With the current state of the stay-at-home order, Bob Ross Buick GMC has a new tool you can shop online with. You can do everything from selecting a vehicle to finalizing everything, and we deliver your vehicle for you. All you gotta do is go to bobrossbuickgmc.com, and you actually will go to the website, and actually you see this page right here. It says Get Started. You hit that button. Once you're there, you will click the shop, click Drive. If you're looking for something new, you can actually hit their Shop New Inventory. You can see a vehicle, you can look around for all the vehicles that you're looking for. I'm going to pick this one as an example. You can see the current offers that are on the vehicle. Once you get there, say Start Buying Process. Once you get there, you're going to get to where you're going to see a summary and an estimated payment. For your zip code, you type in to see what incentives you qualify for, if you're putting any money down. Current APRs from General Motors right now, they get the 0% or 2.9. Once you put that info in, you hit Start Buying Process again. In this page, you're going to sit there, put your info in, your name, address, email, zip code, the state you're from. If you have a trade-in, the next page will go to the trade-in. You click this button there. Then you go to Customize. Once you go to Customize, you actually will sit there and pick accessories that you need. It will review everything that you have. It will let you put a credit app in. What will happen is after that, once you get approved and everything goes along, we'll get there and get documents sent to you, and then we'll schedule delivery of your vehicle to your home. If you have any questions, give us a call at 937-433-0990. Again, my name is Dan Choi with Bob Ross Auto Group, and thank you for shopping for Bob Ross Auto Group.